What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys what type of fluids your Grand Marquis takes and when to change them as well. So let's get to it. The recommended motor oil is 5W20 synthetic blend. Some people suggest to change it every 3,000 miles, but I personally use 5W30 full synthetic and I change it every 5,000 miles. There are multiple discussions and personal opinions of what type of oil and brand you should use, but both conventional and synthetic is fine. But let me know your preference in the comments section and tell me why. DOT 3 is recommended for the brake fluid and should be flushed every 2 to 3 years. If the brake fluid is low, you should check the brake pads, they might need to be replaced. The power steering system was designed for ATF, not power steering fluid. I know that can be very confusing, but it means that it uses transmission fluid, either Dextron Merc or Mercon 5. Check the fluid once a month. If the fluid looks black or brown, you should change it. When it comes to washer fluid, I just use anything that's on discount, but I've heard that all season Rain-X is best for all kinds of vehicles. The recommended coolant is Xerix G05, but the coolant system doesn't seem to be picky on what kind of antifreeze you use. Some owners use Prestone, Peak, or anything that says that it's compatible with American vehicles. I've seen some people use Dex Cool, but I highly recommend you not use that coolant on your Ford. The coolant should be flushed every 100,000 miles, but you could do it as early as 50,000 miles. The recommended transmission fluid is Mercon 5. For newer models, it'll be Mercon 6. Transmission fluid in good condition will be a bright red or pink. If the fluid looks brown, then it's time to change it. But if the fluid is black, it's best to leave it alone. Changing the fluid when it's black can cause the transmission to slip. Change the fluid and filter every 30,000 miles. It is hot today. We're supposed to be in winter. For the rear differential, use gear oil 75W90 or 80W90. If you travel with extra weight on the rear, you might want to look into 75W140. It's recommended to change the fluid every 100,000 miles. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.